Okay, today we're going to talk about slope and rate of change. So let's fill in the blanks here. Slope is the rate of change in a relationship. So rate goes in this blank. Slope, or rate of change, is a ratio of the following. So it's a change in the dependent variable, or the y value, over a change in the independent variable, or the x value. On a graph of a linear relationship, slope describes the steepness of the line, and we have talked about that. We have said the steeper the line, the higher the rate, or the higher the slope. All right, we can talk about types of slope here. This is an example of a positive slope. It increases from left to right, so it goes up like a mountain. So this is a negative slope. I always think of ski slope, and it decreases from left to right. This is a zero slope. So a horizontal line has zero slope, and a vertical line we call undefined. So those are the four types of slope. So let's look at this picture and let's identify all of these. So line A right here, that would be zero slope. Line B, this one, goes downward like a ski slope, so this is negative. Line C, vertical line, is undefined. And line D goes up like a mountain, so that's positive. See if you can come up with any strategies to help you remember the difference between a graph with an undefined and a zero slope. I'll have one later for you when we get into slope formula, but an undefined slope, if you look at the number, is always going to have the zero under. So under is undefined. And when we look at the actual value of a zero slope, the zero is going to be on top. Let's talk about finding a slope from a graph. So to find the value of a slope from a graph, find the ratio of the vertical or up and down change compared to the horizontal or side to side change. Horizontal. And you've seen me do this before. We're going to start calling this the rise and this the run. So up and down over side, the hot side. To do this, choose any 2 points on the graph line. Remember to make those good points at intersection. Then draw a right triangle to count the rise and run. We have done this before. Always simplify the ratio when possible. That means reduce it to lowest term. And remember to check if the graph has a positive or negative slope. All right. So steps to finding the slope from a graph, and we have done this before. So we're going to follow these steps. So the rise of we're going to start at the left, and we're going to do the rise. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. And the run, or the change in x, is 1, 2, 3. So the slope is 4 over 3. And I want you just to leave it like that. Don't change that into a mixed number. It's fine just like that. Okay, so we know how to do this. Let's draw our triangles like we've been doing. Between the points, they give us the points, which is super nice. So we're going to do the rise up and down over the run. So this is 1, 1, and we're going positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 1 over 4. This one isn't quite as helpful. We got to find our points. So first of all, we see that that slope is going down, so we know it's going to be negative. So we're going to draw our triangle. So it's going to go down 1, so that's negative 1, and then to the right 2, so it's negative 1/2. Let's look at the third one on the top. Let's find our points. This is a big triangle. So we're going to count rise over run. So our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to reduce that to lowest terms. So I have 3 halves. Okay, let's figure this one out. I'm going to find my good points here. I think I have to go all the way down here. All the way up here. All the way up here. So rise is first, up and down is first. So I'm going up, so that's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to the right, which is positive, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 over 6, we're going to reduce that to 4 over 3. So this is a vertical line. So my slope is just undefined. Now let's find this one. So I'm going to go down. So I'm going to have negative 1. Let's draw the triangle first. Be helpful. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 over positive 3, which when you simplify it, it's negative 1. All right. That's it for now.